I was looking for a way to um, transition into working from home and being more available to my kids. And so Dominick's program came as the perfect thing for me to do, where I have complete control over my schedule and the potential to earn a lot of money was really great. So that's really why I opted to join Dominick's inaugural class of 30-day credit repair agency folks. Um, Dominick was very generous in whatever he was trying to teach us. Like it felt more like a big brother trying to guide, younger siblings away from making, decisions that he's already made, mistakes he's already made. And so, he was, the knowledge you could felt that he was just trying to pour into everybody to guide everybody and give them the direction that they really should be heading into. So I really appreciated that. Um, and also the weekly calls, they really kind of clarified a lot of stuff, and that's when he really kind of also gave us a ton of information. So I highly recommend it. I mean, it took me a couple months to decide because I'm kind of like that, but I really believe that you wouldn't go wrong. Just make up your mind to do it.